Ever pondered over how autonomous combat systems could revolutionize the future of warfare? As we journey into the era of advanced technology, we're witnessing a rising trend in the development of autonomous combat systems worldwide. These systems, capable of operating independently, are transforming the way we think about and conduct warfare. With their ability to perform tasks such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat missions without human oversight, they offer improved efficiency and precision. The reduction of risk to human life is a significant advantage, as these systems can be deployed in situations deemed too dangerous for humans. Furthermore, the potential for enhanced decision-making through artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms is truly groundbreaking. These systems can adapt to changing situations, analyze data, and make decisions, all autonomously. One such leap in the field of autonomous combat systems is the Combat Autonomous Tactical System, or CATS Warrior, developed by India. The CATS Warrior is a marvel of modern engineering and artificial intelligence. It's an autonomous system, capable of operating independently without human intervention. This means it can carry out surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat missions all on its own and with a high degree of precision. Now let's talk about the platforms that the CATS Warrior operates on. The system includes unmanned ground vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles, and unmanned underwater vehicles. This makes it versatile and adaptable, capable of operating in various environments, whether that be land, air, or water. The CATS Warrior is also outfitted with a host of advanced sensors and payloads. These include high-resolution cameras, LiDAR for detailed mapping, radar for tracking targets, and communication systems for transmitting data back to command centers. All of these are crucial in enabling the system to detect, track, and engage targets effectively. But what truly sets the CATS Warrior apart is its use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies allow the system to analyze data, make informed decisions, and adapt to changing situations. Essentially, it can learn from its experiences and improve its performance over time. The CATS Warrior is also designed for network-centric warfare. This means it can communicate with other systems and platforms in real time, enabling seamless coordination and integration with other military assets. It's all about working together to achieve a common goal. Another impressive feature is its modularity. The system is designed to be flexible, allowing for easy integration of new sensors, payloads, and platforms as technology advances. This ensures that the CATS Warrior can continue to evolve and stay at the cutting edge of military technology. But the CATS Warrior is not just about advanced technology and artificial intelligence. It's about more than that. It's about providing a robust defense capability that is adaptable, resilient, and above all, effective. It's about securing the future of warfare and ensuring that we are always one step ahead. It's about safeguarding our nation and our people. And that's what truly makes the CATS Warrior a marvel of modern engineering. The CATS Warrior is designed with a robust human-machine interface and is a product of indigenous development. This innovative system combines advanced technology with intuitive controls, enabling operators to monitor and control the system remotely. From a safe distance, they can guide the system through complex maneuvers, track targets, and even initiate combat operations. This level of control and autonomy is made possible by a highly advanced interface that seamlessly translates human commands into machine actions. But the CATS Warrior isn't just a technological marvel. It's also a testament to the collaborative spirit of India's defense research organizations and industries. Working hand in hand, these organizations have pooled their resources, their knowledge, and their passion. Together, they've transformed a concept into a reality, creating a system that's not just made in India, but made for India. The CATS Warrior project represents a significant stride in India's pursuit of autonomous combat technology. It's proof that when we work together, there's no limit to what we can achieve. The CATS Warrior is an epitome of the fusion of cutting-edge technology and strategic military insight. This autonomous system, developed by India, is a game-changer in the field of modern warfare. With a range of platforms, including unmanned ground vehicles, aerial vehicles, and underwater vehicles, it's designed to operate in various environments, from land to air and water. Equipped with advanced sensors and payloads, the CATS Warrior can perform surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat missions without human oversight. Its artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities allow it to analyze data, make decisions, and adapt to changing situations. This system is also designed for network-centric warfare, enabling seamless coordination with other military assets. Furthermore, the CATS Warrior is modular, allowing for easy integration of new technologies. Its robust cybersecurity measures ensure system integrity, while its advanced human-machine interface allows for remote monitoring and control. As we venture further into the era of autonomous combat systems, the CATS Warrior stands as a testament to the transformative potential of this technology in modern